Have you ever wondered which country quietly holds the keys to global trade, tech growth, human capital, and natural wealth, yet is often overlooked? It's not a massive economy like the US or China, it's the Philippines, a vibrant, fast-evolving archipelago at the very center of the world's most critical region, the Indo-Pacific. Global investors are starting to pay close attention. Why? Because the Philippines isn't just rising, it's becoming indispensable. From international commerce and strategic defense to digital transformation and renewable resources, this nation is shaping the future across multiple domains. And it's not hype. This is based on concrete demographics, policy shifts, global supply chain realities, and a youthful population poised for innovation. The world is shifting, and the Philippines is standing at the crossroads, ready to lead in ways few expect. In this comprehensive breakdown, we'll dive into 10 powerful sections that explain why the Philippines isn't just important, it's essential. You'll see how this country is quietly becoming a linchpin for investors, businesses, and global stakeholders. So whether you're a seasoned investor, a policy strategist, or someone curious about the global future, this is your chance to understand why the Philippines matters more than ever. The Philippines stands at the heart of global trade, perfectly positioned between vital maritime routes in the Indo-Pacific. Trillions of dollars in trade flow through its coastal waters every year. It's more than just a location, it's a maritime powerhouse. With key choke points like the South China Sea and Taiwan nearby, the Philippines plays a crucial role in regional stability. In a world where sea lanes equal security, this nation is essential for global logistics. Its strategic partnership with the United States, highlighted by the Enhanced Defense Cooperation Agreement, reinforces its influence in Asian power dynamics. For investors, this means a more secure and predictable environment, vital for capital deployment. As regional tensions and global shifts unfold, the Philippines offers both security and logistical advantages. It's no surprise that nations and corporations are taking notice. Investors are seeking not just safe havens, but strategically smart ones. The Philippines combines stability, location, and influence like no other in the Indo-Pacific. Beyond defense, the Philippines is an economic giant in disguise, especially with its blue economy. Controlling one of the world's largest exclusive economic zones, over 2.2 million square kilometers, it's a treasure trove beneath the waves. Oil, gas, rare minerals, and bountiful fisheries lie in wait, ready to be tapped. This marine domain boasts some of the richest biodiversity on the planet, a goldmine for ecotourism and sustainable development. And let's not forget the Filipino dominance in global shipping labor. With around 25% of the world's seafarers being Filipino, they keep international trade flowing smoothly every day. The Philippines is not just a logistics asset, it's a human engine of global trade. Their remittances fuel domestic growth and solidify the country's reputation as a reliable labor source. As demand for sustainable ocean economies rises, investors are eyeing green maritime innovations and marine infrastructure. The Philippines is truly a natural fit for this emerging market. Unlike aging economies, the Philippines boasts one of the youngest populations in Asia. With a median age of just 25.7, it's sitting on a demographic goldmine, a tech-savvy, English-speaking generation hungry for opportunity. This youthful edge powers everything from the outsourcing industry to startup ecosystems and digital adoption. It's no surprise that global companies are shifting more operations to the Philippines. Add to that the country's strong cultural ties to both East and West, and you have a workforce that's highly adaptable, emotionally intelligent, and globally aware. It's not just numbers, it's quality and compatibility. For global brands, that means a future-proof labor market and a ready-made consumer base. For local entrepreneurs, it means a surge in innovation, and for investors, it means stability and scalability. As labor shortages hit Western economies, the Philippines is rising to meet the global demand for skilled and service-oriented professionals, especially in sectors like healthcare, IT, finance, and education. Cultural fluidity is one of the Philippines' strongest, most underrated assets. The country blends Asian traditions with Western systems, making it a natural cross-cultural bridge for diplomacy and global business. English is widely spoken, and not just conversationally. From healthcare to finance, the Philippines offers a deep bench of professionals who can communicate clearly and confidently with global clients. Its legal, democratic, and media frameworks echo those of Western nations, giving investors a sense of familiarity and trust. This reduces onboarding risks and accelerates business integration. Meanwhile, its rich heritage of Filipino values, family, community, compassion, aligns with many Asian markets. This dual affinity allows Filipino talent and companies to move fluidly between East and West. For global brands, this makes the Philippines a perfect place to test and expand products, build customer service teams, or manage multicultural campaigns. The Filipino diaspora is a worldwide force, over 10 million strong, with skilled workers in healthcare, engineering, hospitality, and more. Their presence builds bridges between the Philippines and host countries around the globe. These overseas Filipino workers send home over $40 billion in annual remittances, boosting the domestic economy and providing a steady source of foreign exchange. But it's not just about economics. These professionals embody Filipino values: dedication, compassion, and competence. Countries with aging populations like Japan, Germany, and Italy are increasingly relying on Filipino caregivers, nurses, and medical experts. This trend is only accelerating, creating a flow of trusted talent that benefits everyone. Higher consumer confidence, better foreign relations, and cultural goodwill for brands operating in the Philippines are just a few of the inbound advantages. The business process outsourcing industry in the Philippines generates over $30 billion annually. But the game is evolving. It's no longer just call centers. It's AI, fintech, health tech, legal processing, and software development. With a highly literate, English proficient, and tech-forward population, the country is now embracing BPO 2.0, where automation meets human insight. This transition is a goldmine for investors looking to ride the next wave of digital transformation. The infrastructure is here, the people are ready, and the market is growing fast. Multinationals and startups alike are leveraging this environment to scale operations efficiently. The Philippines is becoming the back office of the digital world, quietly powering companies behind the scenes. For investors, this offers low volatility, high returns, and built-in resilience. During global downturns, outsourcing often becomes more essential, not less. With an estimated $1 trillion in untapped mineral reserves, the Philippines is a natural resource hub for the green energy revolution. Key materials like nickel, cobalt, and copper are essential for electric vehicles, solar panels, and batteries. As demand spikes, countries are racing to secure reliable supply chains, and the Philippines is right in the spotlight. The oil and gas potential in the West Philippine Sea adds another layer to our energy landscape. Tapping these resources responsibly could boost national energy security and attract global investors. From biodiversity-based biotech to ecotourism, our natural wealth is a source of innovation, not just extraction. With the right policies and ESG-aligned capital, the Philippines could lead in responsible resource development, fueling global sustainability and local growth. Resilience isn't just a buzzword in the Philippines, it's a lived reality. From typhoons and earthquakes to economic disruptions, Filipinos have shown extraordinary endurance and optimism. This spirit translates into a workforce and society that adapts, rebuilds, and bounces back fast. It's an intangible yet powerful asset for long-term investment. Whether it's rebuilding after a disaster or leading peaceful revolutions, Filipinos consistently demonstrate that challenges don't define them. Their responses do. This deep human capital, built on shared strength, joy, and faith, gives businesses a motivated and emotionally intelligent talent base. For companies seeking resilience and agility, the Philippines offers more than infrastructure or cost savings. It offers heart, and that's not easy to replicate. From the global rise of Jollibee to the artistry of Lea Salonga and the sportsmanship of Manny Pacquiao, the Philippines is flexing its soft power like never before. Its cultural exports, music, dance, food, and fashion, are finding fans across continents. This creates positive brand association, making market entry easier for businesses tied to the country. Even everyday Filipino workers abroad act as goodwill ambassadors, promoting warmth and professionalism that builds trust in global markets. Filipino values, hospitality, respect, laughter resonate globally, helping brands foster deeper emotional connections with consumers. For tourism, entertainment, and lifestyle brands, tapping into this global cultural wave is a strategic advantage. The Filipino identity is vibrant, influential, and increasingly visible. In an era of uncertainty, finding countries that offer stability, scalability, adaptability, and global relevance is rare. The Philippines checks all these boxes, and then some. With its strategic maritime position, digital economy, rich resources, and youthful workforce, this archipelago is more than just opportunity. It's a future-proof platform for growth. For ESG-conscious investors, climate innovators, or digital pioneers, the Philippines presents a dynamic investment landscape. It aligns with the trends shaping tomorrow's economy. But what truly sets it apart is the Filipino people, their resilience, passion, and openness. They transform this country from a calculated investment into a strategic partnership worth having. If you're serious about long-term value, look no further. The Philippines isn't just a destination. It's a global gateway, a resilient ecosystem, and an undeniable force in the 21st century. If this story inspired you or even made you think, don't forget to like this video, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more powerful insights like this. Your voice matters. Let's keep this conversation going and let's grow together.